Today, I want to show you a recipe that is very, very close to my heart and has been so for my entire life. I'm going to show you how to make classic gingerbread based on the recipe that my mum and my grandma used since before I was born. The memories of making and decorating the gingerbread house every year fills me with joy, and I would very much like to share this with you. For this recipe, you will need 400 ml of sugar, 200 ml of golden syrup, 900 grams of all-purpose flour, 250 grams of butter, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, half a tablespoon of ground cloves, 1 tablespoon of ground ginger, 1 tablespoon of ground cardamom, 1 tablespoon Bi-carb soda, and finally 200 ml of water. Start by adding the sugar, golden syrup and water into a pot. Place the pot onto the stove and over a low to medium heat, let the ingredients come to a low simmer. In the meantime, finely slice your butter and place into a large bowl, spreading it out down the bottom. You can now start to add all your spices. When our sugar mixture has come to a simmer, take it off the heat and pour it over our butter and spice mix. Give it a stir until all the butter has melted. Allow the mixture to cool for 15 to 20 minutes. In a separate bowl, mix the Bi-carb soda in with the all-purpose flour. When our sugar and butter mixture has become lukewarm, it is time to add our flour. Stir well until all the ingredients have combined. Place a plastic bag over another bowl and then pour the mixture into the bag. Place the whole bag with the mixture into the fridge for 24 to 48 hours to set. It is now time to roll out our dough. This dough makes enough for a good sized house in addition to some smaller gingerbread. So for this part, you will need your gingerbread house mould if you're using it, a nice big rolling pin, a knife for cutting your pattern, some baking paper, and a whole lot of flour on your bench. The dough is looking fantastic, beautifully set. A good tip here is to only take out however much you're needing right then and there and store the rest in your fridge, as the dough is easiest to work with when it's nice and cool. Always make sure that there is plenty of flour underneath your dough the whole time so it does not get stuck to your bench top. When you have cut out whatever you need for your house, it is time to let the kids have some fun. Bring out all the funky and traditional cookie cutters that you have. I used a whipped royal icing to put together my house. This was made from egg whites, lemon juice and pure icing sugar. And this is when it's handy to have some little helpers around. Have some fun with the piping, making lots of funky patterns, and then let the kids come in at the end and go crazy with the candy. In the end, to get the wreath to stick together, I ended up using a burnt sugar mix. It works really well as a glue and sets rock hard. At this point, even my teenager came out of hiding to help place all the candy onto the house. And here is the final results. We ended up with lots of little gingerbread as well as a massive house. The kids had so much fun helping out, decorating it all, and we can't wait to have a taste once Christmas is over. I thank you so much for coming on this little gingerbread journey with me. I hope you enjoy this recipe. As I said, it is one that is very close to my heart and I'm so excited to share it with you all. I wish you all a very Merry Christmas and I can't wait to share the next year with you all.